When challenges arise, Americans don't back down. We stand up. We endure. We overcome. This is our generation's moment to be needed, to be essential. We have the right to be who we were made to be, to build a foundation, be skilled, be valued, be heroes. Get ready to grow. Prepare to rise. You can begin. You can begin again. To jumpstart your future training in an essential career field. Even though the world is paused, as we work safely to protect each other, your future can begin. Their online programs and instruction are ready for those seeking a new career now. Use this time to explore a new opportunity. Click to see if this opportunity fits your skill sets, talents, and dreams for the future. Take charge. Start now. We're here. Training continues. Don't miss out. Learn more today.